So the kid-friendly meals continue. You've heard about mac and cheese. Kids love mac and cheese. But have you heard about meaty mac and cheese? Your kids will love you forever. I'm a big kid when it comes to that, so I love to add meat to mac and cheese, to macaroni pie, do little twists. I like to experiment with recipes, so that's what I'm doing for the kids today. I'm starting, guys, with some minced meat that we just seasoned. Salt, pepper, your favorite green seasonings, very, very basic seasonings. And we are going to get this meat into a hot pot. That's the sound that you want to hear. So you just really want to bring the meat up and get your mincemeat cooking. So I'm starting with the meat and I'm building a mac and cheese. It's really a dish that I think the kids will just love, and the big kids as well. Mac and cheese is something that's, very hearty, nice comfort food, and adding this layer of meat to it just adds another flavor of wonderful goodness. And I'm going with my theme of cheesy and gooey, right? Cheesy and gooey. So this is all cheesy, gooey goodness. So you get the meat cooking, allow that meat to sear and cook just for a couple minutes. So just about after 2 or 3 minutes, guys, and your meat is all browned and ready, you can start adding your vegetables. So I have some onions straight in there, green peppers, and carrots. Mix your veggies in and allow your veggies to cook off for another couple minutes, guys. And then you can add some tomatoes. Now these tomatoes are straight out of the can, guys. It's canned tomatoes, and I like to use it for this recipe because of all this lovely liquid you're seeing here. So far, if you recognize it's a dry dish, but this liquid is good liquid to get in there, and the nice canned tomatoes works well in this recipe. So you add in your canned tomatoes, 1 full can, and mix it in with the veggies and the meat. Get it all combined. And then you could add some cream, some milk. I just have a little milk. It's really just a touch of milk you want just for that. Just that little creaminess. You can't do mac and cheese without milk. So just for that little creaminess and that little extra bit of gooiness and loveliness that you get in a mac and cheese, you add the milk in there. I season in layers. So at this stage, I'll just do a little salt, a little pepper, and I have some oregano, some dried oregano that I want to add in there as well. And yeah, at this stage now you mix in, allow this mixture just about 5 minutes to simmer and get all nice and lovely. So we should be just about ready now. And that meat and vegetables all nice and tender, everything coming together, everybody getting to know each other there. And we're about to introduce them to the pasta. So this penne pasta, I'm using penne. Now you can use any short pasta, whether it's elbows, you can use those nice little screws, or any type of short pasta that you think will hold on and do well. But I think I like the penne. It's nice, big, bold pasta, and you just add in there. So what I like to do with these, so that I add about half of my pasta, and then I kind of just fold in everything. Get everything. I just kind of make sure the balance is right between the pasta and the meat. So looking at it here now, I probably could add a little more of the pasta. Yeah. And mix it in. Fold in the meat. Make sure everything is properly combined. This here is a combination of cheddar and mozzarella. I like this combination. Cheddar for that nice little sharpness, and we're doing cheesy and gooey, and the gooey you will get from the mozzarella. So I get my combination of cheese in here. Let me try that, see how that comes together, and I mix the cheese and allow it just to kind of melt, and everything kind of gets into one. Might as well. Get all that good cheesiness in there. This is a mac and cheese, guys. We just added meat to make it a little better. Seeing the stringiness and the gooiness starting there already. So this is an important phase because you want to kind of get the meat, the pasta, and the cheese throughout the dish. At this stage, you can take the heat off because it's ready to serve. This is just about ready. And look at that. I serve this up. Got your vegetables in there. Got all that lovely meaty, cheesy flavor. And guys, at this stage, just want to add a little tomatoes to the top. This is a lovely, hearty, satisfying meal, guys, for the kids. And just add a little nice, some basil. Just sprinkle a little basil around. Lunch is served. My meaty mac and cheese. It is just fantastic. It is a dish that I love, a recipe that I do over and over. I like to just experiment with the different vegetables I have in my kitchen. It's good. Try this recipe, guys. Cup of Joe Caribbean. We're coming back.